Are you ready to unlock the natural secrets to detoxify and cleanse your kidneys for better health? Today, we bring you an eye-opening journey into the world of foods that can naturally rejuvenate your kidneys. Now, let's embark on this transformative quest to supercharge your kidney health and embrace a revitalized life. 1. Lemon water. Rich in vitamin C, lemon aids in flushing out toxins from the kidneys and promoting optimal kidney function. The citric acid in lemon is highly alkalizing, helping to balance the pH levels in the kidneys and reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, which combat free radicals and oxidative stress, thereby protecting the kidneys from damage. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are among the powerhouse greens that support kidney function. These leafy vegetables are packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, which promotes healthy urine flow and prevents the formation of kidney stones. They are rich in potassium, a mineral that aids in maintaining proper electrolyte balance and regulates blood pressure. The high fiber content in leafy greens supports kidney health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing the buildup of waste products, which aids in hydration and promotes healthy kidney function. 3. Turmeric. The key bioactive compound in turmeric is curcumin, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties play a crucial role in protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are significant contributors to kidney damage and disease. Additionally, turmeric has shown promise in reducing proteinuria, a condition where excessive amounts of protein are excreted in the urine, which is a common sign of kidney dysfunction. 4. Cabbage. Its high vitamin C content boosts the immune system and supports kidney function. The sulfur compounds present in cabbage play a significant role in removing toxins from the kidneys. The anti-inflammatory properties of cabbage further contribute to overall kidney health by reducing inflammation in the renal system. 5. Garlic. With its distinct pungent aroma and flavor, garlic contains sulfur compounds that play a crucial role in eliminating toxins from the kidneys, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Furthermore, garlic's detoxifying properties extend to its ability to support healthy blood circulation, ensuring optimal kidney function. By improving blood flow, garlic aids in the efficient removal of waste products and toxins from the kidneys. Further supports kidney health by nourishing and strengthening the kidneys. We hope you found the information insightful and inspiring. Remember, these natural detox foods can be a great addition to your diet, but always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your eating habit. Your kidneys play a vital role in your overall health, so treat them well. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more wholesome content, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated.